The zebra of the plains is perpetually hunted by a myriad of merciless predators. With no purpose other than to feed monsters, the zebra spends its entire life standing around awaiting a violent death. They are nature's ultimate prey. The zebra paces the earth, patiently going through the motions of life, knowing that at any moment it will end in a sudden shock of pain and brutality. With its black and white stripes serving as an ostentatious beacon to any nearby predators, the zebra whiles away its time before gruesome elimination. Zebra wait on the pantry shelf that is the African plain before something finds it and, at last, remembers to eat it. The zebra's long face is just one of many adaptations that are able to be violently attacked with ease. The zebra's wide neck provides ample surface area for any attack. But it is the zebra's rump that tends to get the most attention. The zebra's backside has evolved to be large, succulent, and equipped with a sturdy tail that can easily be tugged upon when the time comes for the zebra to be dragged to its bloody end. This zebra's gory conclusion has come, but for many others, the boring story continues. The zebra's natural predators include the lion, cheetah, hyena, crocodile, giraffe, elephant, ostrich, and 600 other species. But tragically, changing climates have wiped out many of these predators, threatening the zebra's delicate place in the ecosystem through underhunting. Despite all odds, the zebra lives on, biding its time at mortality's bus stop, waiting to pay its fare in patience and blood so that it may claim the calm of death it so desperately pines for.
Derek's a drama queen. I know he wants to f me.
A morning three-way is just the thing to get your engines revving.